You guys, listen, you really need to go into a lot of debt to get a great credit score, because not only does that mean that if you have a high credit score, it's an indication that you're winning with money, but if you don't have a credit score, you can't rent an apartment. And if you don't have a credit score, then you could get really bad rates on your car insurance. It's true. No, it's not. All those were myths. So here are 3 myths to unpack for you guys on why you don't need a credit score. There are some myths floating around the whole credit score conversation. Listen, you guys, let's just break these down and get down to the truth. Well, Rachel, my credit score is at 750. I'm very successful. Your credit score is not an indication that you're winning with money. It is not an indication that you have a lot of money in the bank. It's not an indication that your 401k is fully funded. No. Your credit score simply means that you have gone into debt. Yes, you've paid your debt back on time, but you're still in debt. Like, you could literally become a millionaire today and your credit score wouldn't change. So it is a myth that just because you have a good credit score, that is an indication that you are winning financially. Another myth that I hear a lot is, well, Rachel, I can't rent an apartment without a credit score. Listen, some places this is true, but there are a lot of places that if you have your first month's rent, your last month's rent, and your security deposit in cash, that they will still rent you the apartment. If you sit down with the apartment manager and you say, hey, listen, this is the situation. I'm not borrowing money. I don't have a credit score anymore. It's gone down to 0 and I can pay you on time. And you actually talk to them like a human being and they listen, they will actually rent you an apartment. And last but not least, some states will actually pull your credit score and you'll actually get better rates on your insurance if you have a good credit score. Well, Rachel, I should keep my credit score good. I should keep acquiring debts to keep building my credit so that I get good insurance rates. But listen, the amount of money that you're going to pay in interest that you're going to spend to acquire debt is actually probably going to end up costing you more than the money you would save if you had, lower insurance rates. Depending on your state, yeah, maybe you're going to swallow and pay a little bit more car insurance, but trust me, that amount is about that much versus this much that you're paying back to the bank in interest and getting in debt and the stress and the burden. We can't put a price tag on people. So those are 3 common myths around building your credit score. So next time you're at a party and everyone's like, yeah, my credit score, you could be like, I'm like a financial ninja. Actually, I don't even know anything about ninjas. I don't even know if they do that. I just made that up. Thanks, you guys, for watching this video. If you want more great money-saving tips, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my new book, Love Your Life, Not Theirs, in the description below. Click on it.